Hello guys, welcome back to the Java database connectivity series. Okay, in the previous tutorial and the previous tutorials before the previous tutorial, we created methods that allow us to save to the database, that are also allowed us to retrieve data from the database. This is the method that saves data to the database, called insert data. We then created a getAll method that will retrieve data from the database. And also we've implemented a method that allows us to update a record into the day which is in the database. In this tutorial, we will implement a method that allows us to delete a record from the database. Okay, let's create a method that is going to be a class method, and it's not going to return a thing. It's going to delete a record by id. Okay, int id like this, and the function itself is gonna need, we have to create a connection to a database. So con equals to database key manager dot ops key, yeah, key manager, okay, dot connect, like this. Okay, and then from here what we can do, we can just edit statement string SQL statement equals to something like this. I'm gonna delete, the statement is gonna be delete, okay, from student where id equals to, then we put a placeholder like this. Okay, and then from here we can add our try catch block, catch exception that if my okay ex, then print the exception to the console using the print stack method if by any chance exception. Okay, within this I'm just gonna use ps equals to con dot prepare statement. We pass in our SQL. Okay, all right, and then from here we can bind our set int, our variable, this variable that is passed when this method is called, the id that will be passed here, we're going to bind it to this placeholder. So this one represents this placeholder, and this argument will be the id that will be passed here, right, like that. Okay, and we need to execute our statement ps dot execute. We are executing an update again, execute update, okay, like that. Let's call this int I equals that. Okay, if I is greater than 0, then system.out.print like this. Our record has been removed like this. Otherwise, system out print no record removed. Okay, having done this, we are done with our delete function. Let's go ahead to our controller. Within our controller, let's go ahead and copy this function. Okay, this function, paste it here, and then this is going to be delete. Action is going to prompt for the student ID. Okay, and then this is going to be an int, and this is going to be accepting an integer dot next. Sorry guys. Oops, what have I done? Okay, like so. Dot next int, like this. Okay. This time we are not. We are just gonna be deleting, and this is going to be ID not name. Like this. Okay. Enter student ID to delete. Okay. So let's go ahead and run this application. No, before we run it, we will need to call it after we are no longer updated. Let's just go ahead and paste this method here like this. Save. Then when I run this function or this class, this enter student ID to delete, one record has been removed. Okay, our record has been removed. We have updated our database. Let's check our database. If you see that the record has been removed, we're only left with one record. Okay, so we are manipulating the database using our Java program. In this tutorial, we implemented the delete function. So I hope this gives you an idea of how to implement these things, how to work with CRUD functions using database, how to implement CRUD functions using Java database connectivity. Okay, if you are having any problem with it or if you need help, just feel free to ask me for help. Okay, update, record, and here it's gonna be delete record, read records, insert, it's not date, it's a record, like that. Okay, I hope this was helpful, guys. Okay, in the next tutorial, let us implement a method that will allow us to search a student using their, let's say for example, an ID. Okay, and then the application will return the all or the information about that student with that such an ID. Okay, let's implement that on the next tutorial. Then we will be done with Java database connectivity, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.